Did you know that melons are made up almost entirely of water? It's fascinating to think that these juicy fruits are composed of about 90% water. This high water content not only makes them incredibly refreshing, but also helps keep you hydrated, especially during those scorching summer days. It's true, melons are about 90% water, making them a delicious and refreshing treat on a hot summer day. Imagine biting into a cool, juicy slice of melon while lounging by the pool or enjoying a picnic in the park. The burst of sweetness combined with the hydrating effect is simply unbeatable. But melons are much more than just a tasty snack. They are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health. From cantaloupe to honeydew, each variety of melon offers its own unique set of vitamins and minerals that contribute to your overall well-being. Melons are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining various bodily functions and promoting good health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. It also supports your immune system, helping you fend off illnesses and stay healthy. Eating melons can be a delicious way to boost your vitamin C intake. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure. It plays a vital role in maintaining heart health and ensuring that your muscles and nerves function properly. Including melons in your diet can help you meet your daily potassium needs. Folate is a B vitamin that is essential for cell growth and development. It is particularly important for pregnant women, as it supports the healthy development of the baby. Enjoying melons can be a tasty way to ensure you're getting enough folate in your diet. So the next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing snack, reach for a melon. Whether you enjoy it on its own, in a fruit salad, or blended into a smoothie, melons are a versatile and nutritious choice that can help you stay cool and hydrated all summer long. From their hydrating properties to their rich nutrient content, melons truly are a summertime treat that offers both flavor and health benefits. So go ahead, indulge in this delicious fruit and make the most of your summer days. One of the most important benefits of eating melons is that they can help you stay hydrated. Melons, such as watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew, are composed of over 90% water, making them an excellent choice for maintaining hydration levels. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and dizziness. These symptoms can significantly impact your daily activities and overall well-being. Staying hydrated is crucial for keeping your body functioning properly and avoiding these unpleasant effects. Eating melons is a great way to increase your fluid intake and stay hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. Their natural sweetness and refreshing taste make them a popular choice for snacks and meals. Plus, melons are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Try adding some melon to your water bottle for a refreshing and flavorful drink. This simple addition can make plain water more enjoyable and encourage you to drink more throughout the day. Whether you enjoy them on their own or as part of a delicious beverage, melons are true hydration heroes. In addition to their high water content, melons are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These juicy fruits are not only refreshing, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Antioxidants are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause significant harm if their levels become too high in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and cells, contributing to aging and disease. They are produced naturally in the body as a byproduct of metabolism, but can also be introduced through external sources like pollution, radiation, and cigarette smoke. Melons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost the immune system and protect against chronic diseases. Vitamin C is essential for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body, and it also helps the body absorb iron from plant-based foods. They also contain carotenoids, such as beta-carotene and lycopene, which are powerful antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Carotenoids are pigments found in plants that give them their vibrant colors and have been shown to have various health benefits, including improving eye health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Including melons in your diet can be a delicious way to boost your intake of essential nutrients. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in a smoothie, or as part of a salad, melons can add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals. So next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up some melons and enjoy their many health benefits. Melons are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. They can be enjoyed fresh, juiced, or added to smoothies, salads, and salsas. Try grilling melon slices for a unique and smoky flavor, Or puree melon with some lime juice and honey for a refreshing sorbet.